Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best Chiminea fire pit. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best Chiminea fire pit based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. BALI Outdoors Chimenea. BALI's great outside of Chimenea is an exotic accessory for your patio or garden. Guests will have a wonderful view of the fire within the antique chimenea due to the round wire mesh screening design. This beautiful chimenea, made of durable cast iron and coated in an antique finish, will serve as a source of warmth for many parties for many years to come. The chimenea can efficiently burn wood or synthetic logs with the help of the ashtray and sliding door. Maintaining the fire and cleaning up the ashes takes next to no time at all. The fantastic chimenea is not only simple to put together, but also simple to clean. You'll have fun putting it up, and because it weighs only 40 pounds, you won't need much muscle power to move it and set it up where you want it. Once assembled, the chimenea will look great alongside the rest of your outdoor furnishings and keep you toasty warm throughout all your outdoor gatherings. With a traditional antique look and a sturdy build, the BALI Outdoors Chimenea is a great choice. With its fuel-efficient design, this fireplace works well with either wood or synthetic logs, and its ashtray and sliding door make managing the fire a breeze. The BALI Outdoors Chimenea will get you set for those cool evenings spent by the fire. Number 2. Chiminea Outdoor Fireplace with Cover. Here's something new to show off. A Chiminea outdoor fireplace wrapped in a nylon cover. This sturdy cast iron outdoor fireplace has an attractive antique bronze appearance and comes with a poker for hassle-free cleanup. Charcoal and other flying debris are kept inside, where they belong by a mesh screen lid. This classically stylish chimenea is a must-have for any patio or garden since it allows you to enjoy the outdoors in comfort and style. The chimenea needs to be assembled completely before it can be used, and our durable nylon cover safeguards it from the elements when it's not. Invest in the Chiminea outdoor fireplace today, and you won't regret it. Number 3. Prairie Fire Chiminea Fireplace by the Blue Rooster. Fire in the Blue Rooster Prairie. The Chiminea fireplace is an ultra-contemporary piece of art that is crafted entirely of cast aluminum, so it can never corrode. As it produces almost no smoke and is simple to start, it is an excellent backup heating option. The Chiminea fireplace can be taken out to the deck or patio and set up in no time at all thanks to the handy carry handles. The carbon steel components of the system and the solid cast iron grates for cooking or grilling come with a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. Relax in front of the fire, knowing that your fireplace is reliable, user-friendly, and built to last. Number 4. Sunnydaze Rustic Chiminea Outdoor Wood Burning Fire Pit Large 70-inch Tall. Sunnydaze Rustic Chiminea Outdoor Wood Burning Fire Pit is a great way to create a relaxing atmosphere in your backyard. This fire pit has been crafted from alloy steel and given a special rustic treatment to give it a vintage appearance, all while maintaining its country chic aesthetic. Your yard, patio, or deck will be toasty warm thanks to the fire pit's great heating capacity. Having a fire in the fireplace requires nothing more than some wood or kindling and instantaneous comfort and company. The 70-inch height of the fire pit's spherical design makes it an eye-catching addition to any patio or backyard. Made of sturdy alloy steel, it tips the scales at 17.24 kilograms. There's some assembly involved, but you can rest well knowing that Sunnydaze Decor offers a full year of protection on their items. The Sunnydaze Rustic Chiminea Outdoor Wood Burning Fire Pit combines a beautiful rustic design with the comforting glow of a fire. Number 5. Cuisinart COH600 Chimenea Propane Fire Pit. When spending time outside in the wintertime, the Cuisinart COH600 Chimenea Propane Fire Pit is the best way to stay warm. It can generate up to 40,000 BTU of heat for 9-15 hours because to its directional heat shield. Its painted steel framework rests on a stainless steel foundation, and 8 pounds of lava rocks are used to efficiently trap and distribute heat. Safely control the temperature and prevent any accidents from occurring thanks to the flame failure cutoff switch and the tip-over safety switch. Enjoy hours of soothing heat with the 20-pound LP tank sold separately. Its adaptability means it may be set up in a variety of outdoor settings to provide year-round comfort for your loved ones. The Cuisinart COH600 Chimenea Propane Fire Pit is an elegant addition to any outdoor living area. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.